Hello, how are you? I am back again, and today I'm going to unbox this mystery bundle of jewellery. I actually got this from a car boot sale about 2 weeks ago, and I didn't realise it, but like I was having a dig through to see if there was anything cool, and I found a bracelet or a necklace. I can't even remember what it was. And I said, oh, how much is this? And he goes, well, actually, I was going to do the whole lot as a job lot for £5. At which point I was like, I'm interested. And my friend turned to me and said, don't do it. And then I wanted it more, so I bought it. However, when I was there, I obviously did pick out the item that I can't remember, which I did like. And I also spotted a little bracelet which had 925 on it. So I know that there's a little bit of silver in here, and I know that there was one thing that I quite liked, and the entire thing was a £5. So I feel like I can't go that wrong. So I thought we'd do it together. So the whole box is pretty crusty, like it's pretty sticky. So I'm gonna put a towel down because I may have to like pick out my favorite things and then like give everything a good clean. But either way, I thought we'd unbox it together and yeah, show you what's inside. There is a lot of junk. There's also some random stuff. Like, let me show you these, like ugly Christmas earrings. And again, more ugly Christmas earrings. However, there is also some cute stuff like these cameo earrings. So I'm hoping there's a little bit of treasure within the trash, but let's open it up and have a look together. So here is the entire box, and I think I might just literally tip it all out and have a good root through. Okay, so this is literally the entire bundle tipped out, and I can tell you there is more than just jewelry in here. There is nationwide. Do you remember these? You used to like put them in to like verify your card. There's also a miniature torch keyring. I might actually put a new battery in this and see if I can get it working. But there is honestly oodles of stuff. I mean, what is this? Adhesive wrap fixers? I don't even know what this is. I'm not even sure what this is. Like, what is this? Oh my. What did I spend my hard-earned money on? This is a Benidorm, like, knife and fork. Words have left me. Okay, I don't even know where to start with this, so I'm going to try and start pulling out some good stuff as opposed to just some weird random things. Like, oh, I've got a reading lamp. I mean, this is bonkers. I'm literally not even sure if this was worth £5 or if there is like a treasure trove of weird things that I needed in here. Let's turn it around and have a look. Okay, so I'm just going to start digging in and trying to find some things. So we've got a little set of beads here. I think we've got some more beads here. I'm going to put maybe like a little pile of beads together. And then like, what is this? What is this Y2K-ness? It feels quite cheap and tinny. I'm going to put that over there because it does actually seem complete. This is a little bracelet. I mean, there's a lot of broken crap in here. Let's be honest. I mean, that's got some gems missing and it is filth ridden. Maybe I'll make a filthy pile. Oh, look. Oh, there we go. I don't know what to do with that. And then this is pretty Y2K and ugly. Let's put that there. Maybe I just need to like sift through this really quickly. This is ugly. Oh my, look at that. How 90s is that? Does anybody else have vivid memories of like the knowledge that Mark Owen had a dolphin tattoo? I don't know why that stuck with me, but it really did. I don't know what this is. I think it's a bracelet. Okay, I don't actually know what this is. I think it's a necklace, I think. But it's like completely magnetic. I don't really understand. I don't know what to do with that. This, this is giving me joy. This is a set of One Direction like bracelets. Let's see if we can find something good. I feel like I need to find a little bit of treasure. This might have been the thing which drew me to the package actually. Yep, this is ringing bells. So I think this is actually the bracelet that I picked up and asked how much it was. I just thought it was quite cute and vintagey. So that is something that I actually like. I'm going to put this in a special pile all by itself. Maybe I'll put it there. Here is the dolphin keyring. I mean, there's just so much to look at. Okay, here's something I actually like. It's a little vintage gold necklace. I think it's really sweet and pretty. And it kind of goes down in a V at the middle. That can go in my special little pile too. I may also put this in my special little pile. These would be quite cute, but I can see that they're broken. So let's put that in a broken pile. Is this one of those alarms that they give out at university to keep women safe? Anyway, let's move on. This is actually what I spotted that I think is silver because it is stamped in here 925. And that's quite a big weighty bracelet. So that could be worth a little summon. I'm still really creeped out by that. Oh my God, does anybody remember these? It's an earring where it was a dolphin and the front, oh, I've just dropped it. And the front of the dolphin went through the front of your ear, and then the back of the dolphin went through the back, and then it looked like there was a dolphin like jumping through your ear. Does anybody remember that? Okay, these earrings are actually pretty cute. And also, I think they're like a 2-for-1 pair of earrings because you can actually unclip the gold part and just wear them silver, or you can wear them with a gold trim. So they're kind of like, you know, a 2-for-1 pair of earrings, but I might still put them in that pile there. Okay, let's have a dig around and see what else we can find. Okay, these are kind of cute and they're not broken. That's kind of sweet, but it has got some missing gems and it is quite discolored, so I might put that in that pile. I think I need to get less picky with my pile. Maybe I'm being really picky. Maybe it is just a pile of junk. This is literal broken bits, so I'm going to put that over there. I'm going to put the cute cameos in my little yes pile. What else have we got? This is broken. That goes over there. Oh, what's this? What's this over here? This looks like a little charm bracelet with potential. No, it's just cheap plasticky broken bits. Okay, I got excited for nothing. Right, let's see what else we can find. Okay, these might be the weirdest things ever. They've got little eyes on them, and I don't know why I'm drawn to them, but I'm going to put them in my yes pile. And I think I'm making an error. What the hell is this? I'm so confused. There's so much junk in here. I'm starting to think my friend might be right. Okay, am I clutching at straws, or are these actually quite sweet? I'm going to put them in my yes pile. More broken stuff. This ring is plastic. Another key ring, and I think this is another torch. They were very into key rings which had multi-purposes, you know, like the key ring that's also got a fork, the key ring that's also a torch, you know. This is a brooch. This is bonkers. I mean, I don't hate this, but I feel like my standards are getting like lower as this video goes on. This would be cute, but it's broken. Why is this bringing back memories and I don't even know why? Like, do you remember big rope jewelry just being really fashionable? Yeah, the 2000s were wild. Oh, look, another key ring, but this one doesn't have two purposes. It's just a key ring. We've got a key ring of Elvis. God, that is filthy. Okay, have I spotted a little hallmark? Let's open this up and see if there's anything good in here. Okay, it's a little chain bracelet. It's actually very sweet. And we have a 925 stamp. I don't know if you can see it. So we have a little bit of real silver there. What is this? Okay, I have absolutely no idea what these are. I don't think they're earrings. Kind of just like decorative tassels. They're pretty weird. I'm going to have another dig around and see if I'm missing anything. Okay, it's possible I'm crazy, but maybe, do these look like they could be real gold earrings? The kind that you used to get when you got your ears pierced. I don't know why, they just look like a good shade of gold. And then the only other thing I can find that has potential is these earrings. I think they're really cute and kind of like 90s goth. I think they're really, really sweet. I also actually really like this ring. I think it's genuinely a really cool design, so I think I'll keep that.